Hi guys, good morning. So this week guys, before I even intro, right, like proper, I haven't vlogged all week, and you know this is funny because when I vlog around people, this is what I do. I fix the phone because I'm always chopping off my head. I'm with Heidi guys, I'm gonna do my nails, but I'm gonna bring you guys with me this weekend because I haven't vlogged all week. I don't want to kill me, so I'm gonna do a little something this weekend. So it begins here. I'm doing my nails. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ashley Carla. I do lifestyle and travel vlogs, so stick around. Hi. May I use our good up light? I need a ring light, y'all. Like, yeah, I need one of these. But we're gonna do my nails. We decided on the style, but y'all gotta wait and see what we do. We're trying to do a TikTok as well, so wish us luck with that part.
For sure.
That's gonna be the hard part. But stay tuned, y'all. Looks so good.
Thank you.
You both got quesadillas?
Definitely. And baga. Don't forget.
Don't forget.
Wow.
You all got quesadillas? Wanna salim?
Because I never wanted that.
Okay, whatever. I got a whole bowl, but it's like, it's a vegan. No, it's not vegan. It's vegetarian. Whole bowl.
Come guys, let's hold hands and pray.
Girl, go away.
Hands. God is good. God is great. Let's just thank Him for our food. Amen. Thank you for guiding and protecting us and waking us up this morning. And bless us on our journey today. In your name I pray. Amen.
Our journey to getting drunk.
You feel better?
And
Our journey to getting drunk.
so
we're praying before we get drunk. Guys.
Cheers, y'all. Guys, y'all see the line behind y'all? Y'all take it forever. We're at the zoo, and the line is crazy. How are you, boo?
how are you, babe?
Hi. Hi.
Oh
Hello.
my gosh.
I hope you guys are hearing him say hi or hello. Hi.
Hi.
He's not saying it anymore.
Baby, say hi. Hi.
Him say, hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
Hi. Hi. Hi.
I'm tired.
He said hello and he said hi. Hold on. Say it again. You know, kids in a candy store at the zoo, no big deal. No big deal. Oh, he's beautiful.
He is.
He's a macaw.
Can you say hi too?
Oh, he's scratching. I don't know what.
Full of gun, everything full of crocodile teeth. Everything get crocodile teeth.
It's actually it's cute. Hold on. Oh, hey, Bo. He's huge.
Oh, the cat is over there.
Wait, what? Someone put the mercy on, please. Well, the crocodile is not gonna like trouble the turtle, though, y'all.
Oh my God.
He's huge, though.
Browning, feel good.
Sexy.
Not browning.
Feel good, good body.
Sexy body.
Yes.
You're so fly.
Don't be mean.
Literally.
No, but like he's huge, though, guys.
There you go. Is that a crocodile? Oh my God.
Yes, it's a crocodile. See here to the sign here, American crocodile.
No, the egg.
Oh, more than likely. Which means it's a girl. Oh my God, which means it's a girl, yeah.
Come here, baby.
How do you feel? How do you feel about calling her tough? Woman support woman. Woman support woman. I don't like you anymore.
You going to find a jelly?
What are you guys doing?
Anna fearful.
How you feel? How you feel, babe?
Look at the cold bag juice I don't Excuse me, where is the petting zoo?
Which side? Down there? Okay, we're turning back. Look at this girl photobombing. She's literally photobombing the people them things. This is why you don't come to the zoo drunk. She's so drunk, y'all. Look at her. I should be like, guys, she's drunk. Like, don't come to the zoo drunk. Don't do it.
It's fun.
It
It's
is.
fun.
Look like a
Hello. Go away then.
good service and not meant.
Talk up, babe. Talk up.
I just like to say, y'all have tuned in to the best vlog on YouTube ever. Okay? Period. Period.
Tell
Point
them why.
blank. Because this bitch right here travels. She's from the grill. She all over the place. She doing shit. What y'all doing on them other vlogs? Like, what you doing on them other vlogs?
Why you telling people I'm in the grill, girl?
What? Bitch, you live in the grill.
Stop lying. Stop lying.
She lives in the grill, okay? She got some man. I'm beeping that out like no, she doesn't got a man. I apologize. She ain't got a man. She doing this all on her own because she independent.
Yeah.
You understand? Missing
I thought she done shit.
It's not as scary as you think it is.
As soon as you get comfortable, you want to hold it by yourself, then you can.
It's not as scary as you think it is. He doesn't
It
care.
just feels bad.
No, it feels smooth. Let me kill
Very
her.
awful, actually. Ready? Ready, guys?
Hold on your hand like this.
Like this?
It just feels smooth. It don't feel bad.
Oh my god.
It don't feel bad.
Here.
Oh my god.
From the snake. Oh. It don't feel bad. He doesn't really care. He's just been chilling. He's been chilling.
Then he's barely holding the snake.
Guys, can't let him go now. Oh my gosh, I'm holding a snake.
I'm proud of you.
Put it on your neck. No!
You're near me.
Holy shit. Okay,
You're even about them snake than you.
whoa. This hair just swell up. What?
It must size you.
Pull this shit, please.
It must size you.
Like, hold this.
It must size you.
Ashley, go. Did you go?
I'm
gonna go now?
Yeah, I'm to go again.
Did you get that? Did you get that? Okay.
Wait,
Are you ready?
Under my sweat.
You got this, sis?
Under my sweat.
How you feel? Weird. But your skin feels smooth. Like it's not like slimy or scary.
Yeah, it's like very, very smooth, right?
feel good.
Yeah, that feels fine.
Unruly.
It feels good. It feels nice.
Yeah, it does. It's weird. Okay,
Yeah,
ready?
yeah,
Watch
yeah,
yourself. Next pose. Watch yourself.
yeah.
Watch pool bar. Put your Spice would scream. Spice would definitely scream. Come here. You got this. I'm so sorry. What's your name? Sorry. What's your name? Kelsey. Kelsey, just put it on her. Throw it on her. No, okay. You don't want her to drop in. Yeah. Don't drop it now. Hold it.
It's moving.
Hold it.
Wait, it's
Hold
moving.
it.
It's moving.
Hold
Okay,
it. How do you feel? Okay. You're not scared?
No, I've touched him before. I've held him.
Are you channeling your inner Spice?
Not really.
No? Okay. Because Spice would scream.
What's happening?
I'm vlogging. Wait, people are...
Wow. I wish I was that brave. I need a picture.
So you don't want me to do this?
Yes, but like, can you get a photo? Yes.
And put it on your neck.
No, ma'am.
You want me to do a picture now? Okay, so this is Kelsey. Kelsey, say hi. Hi. Oh, that's Case right there. Kelsey's a big drip right now. Big up yourself.
Alright.
Hold on. Take it from the side.
Not near the rabbit. Just traumatizing, like the whole dropping of animals.
Why is he moving like that? Alright, okay, people crab me up. This crab, the way crab my farm.
I'm nervous.
Yeah. He's been nervous when he's been in like the little.
Can I try?
I try, but it crab me up.
Don't drop it. Yeah, I'm very like.
I'm very. In case you say niceness.
Alright.
So I mean never like.
Just be like,
Just to say you're free.
A true.
I held the rabbit. Let me get a close up of the rabbit. Hi, rabbit man. Or lady. You're okay, sweetie. Yep, you're okay.
you're doing an excellent job.
Thank you. You know,
Can I try again? Then you give him back to her.
okay. I'm not gonna take him. I'm not gonna
And
fall.
then I'll take him from her.
Okay. But I like him though. Can I have him?
No.
This bitch.
I have one similar. You can get a rabbit store. Yeah.
How much is for it at the pet store?
But are you prepared to manage a rabbit though? Because
No, I'm not. I'm not even prepared to handle a man. Like, how am I gonna handle a rabbit?
yeah, they're a lot. They're like dogs.
Aw, babes. But he likes me though. Hi. What's his name? Oh, she's a girl? Hi, Cindy. Hi, boo. She's looking for food. Hi, baby. Oh, where's the line? Oh. I didn't even see the line.
Oh, that's all?
Yes.
So I can give them one? Oh, good.
Just one? She's gonna take everything from me.
Ready?
It's your food.
Hi, Cindy. Cindy, you can eat better. Do you know table manners?
Cindy.
Hey, Jesus Christ, me craving.
I'm daddy.
Can you?
I'm working it out. Can you hold this for me?
I tell you now, so once your food done, your chance done. Okay.
Hey, Ashley, you missing me?
Eat this with a flower?
Ashley, you missing me? Ashley, you missing me? Wait, give it to one of the people so they can vlog.
She craving though. Cindy, take time, Cindy.
Tastes good though. I want it to taste like.
Cindy is a vegetarian.
Here's a vlogging friend. Hi, Cindy. Hey, bestie. Kelsey, we done.
Nah.
Cindy, take time now.
And I know you be eating all day, girl.
Hey, we can't carry Cindy got AC, okay? Cindy,
Cindy, baby.
what's her?
One at a time, friend. Empty when I am out first. Jesus.
My name is the foolishness leader.
She just with her. She just.
Hey, babes. Your bestie's not Cindy.
I mean, no, but
You're welcome.
go and take a picture.
Oh, hold on.
It's hard to.
Ready?
Hi, Cindy.
Hold on, here you go.
Finish that first, friend. Jesus, speed.
Hey, you take my picture?
You have the phone, yeah.
Okay, good.
Me get picture?
No.
My turn?
Hold on.
Ready for me now? Then I take picture, friend.
1,
Hold on.
2.
Hey.
Get it on the back side.
What I said, them I take picture, friend. Hold on.
Here you go.
Why you wanna do a little
You're not too
Moses?
far,
Why
friend.
Moses step on probation?
And feel like
Why is
you're
Moses
going
on
to
probation? Why is Moses on probation?
Well, he's not on probation. This one small. But the mangoes, Moses prefers the mangoes over the hibiscus. So even if we bring them over
Stay
here.
paying attention to us. He's like, girl, anyway, so the mangoes are over there.
Eat your Cindy.
Yes, in
Moses gonna be like, the mangoes are over there.
Just look at you now. Look at what them up. Give me, because she don't want it.
I ain't going over there.
Give me.
Why?
Oh, I have one more. I'm doing this again. One more time. Come here, Cindy, bestie. Don't bite me. Yeah.
Everybody are your bestie. All of a sudden we get replaced.
Yeah, so we're done. I'm over you.
The disrespect.
It's the mode for me.
Don't tease it.
You're so cute. No. Where's the whole tree?
Hi, Cindy.
Guys, thanks for being a part of my blog. I need to get a picture with her.
There is two.
Guys, look, it's Moses and somebody else and his friends. Cindy, you're not alone anymore. It's Moses and his friends.
Moses, Riata, Katie.
Moses, Riata.
Abraham.
No, what's their names actually? Because she's
Moses, Katie, Riata, and Betsy.
Oh.
Moses is
Come, guys.
Cindy are eating us. Cindy just are eating us. Cindy don't be about nothing else but food. Cindy? Well, it don't look green. So I'm hoping, you know?
Oh, that messy bastard.
Oh, only Moses is coming. Come on, Moses. Come, Moses.
Cindy almost crave for doing.
Yeah, Cindy's gonna eat everything.
Oh, hi, Moses. Where's she there?
I'm right here.
Here. So just when this done, you don't have no more chance. I'm going to tell you that.
Moses, wait. Excuse me, Simba. Hakuna Matata. Girl is walking around calling the female lion. Her name is Jasmine, right?
Amuma Evie.
Her name is Jasmine, and this girl is calling her Muma Heavy.
Because she overweight.
She's a chubby girl, but
Yeah. So she named Muma Evie. It's birthday.
and she's calling Lucas the Lion verse.
Because
Jada Kingdom.
see that bedroom bully. And so
I don't like you. I'm sick of you. People are going back over there to look at Lucas. Lucas was very annoyed at people being there and eating. Him just want to eat him food in peace. And people just dead there with them
you can imagine you
excitement.
eat some fried chicken or rice and pizza, somebody that'll look for you.
And that's something nice I ate.
It's so
I know me the upstairs man can me
You
eat nice, you know.
I'll be like, can you?
Y'all already know I hate noise because I hate my neighbors. I high key hate my neighbors. So
Hope them watch your vlogs. Hope them watch your vlogs. Neighbors, I hope you see this.
I don't care. I hate them all.
No, but
I hate both of them. Okay, I don't hate one, but I hate one of them. Yeah, because the sun's right there. If only I could get, like, I haven't gotten a good picture with the cameras and I'm upset. I don't get one good picture to post.
because of the lighting.
The lighting is so bad
Yeah.
because it's overcast. It was just raining and we're just here chilling and the lights come back on.
Alright, so we can go now.
How was the male bathroom, sis?
Awesome.
Okay.
I want more drinks now.
Listen,
Yeah, we're very
let
sober
me just
now.
say real quick, equality.
That's because we're using the male bathroom.
Yeah.
We getting ripped tonight.
Repeat it.
Oh
Honestly, where was we are going next? We don't know, but we are going so many.
We're going to the zebras.
I was talking about when we left the zoo, but that's okay. We find out. Y'all will see.
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise.
You're not fast?
Yeah.
You think you're sure?
Banana. I don't like it. Cancel.